The anaconda, a legendary serpent of the Amazon, is the world's largest snake by weight and girth. Preferring aquatic habitats, it stealthily navigates rivers and swamps, using its eyes and nostrils positioned on top of its head to stay concealed while submerged. Anacondas are constrictors, suffocating prey before swallowing it whole. Their jaws unhinge to accommodate large meals. Remarkably, they give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. While their reputation often leads to exaggeration, these apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem, showcasing the marvels of nature's diversity and adaptation.